Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY galaxy slime. How cool is that? It's slime, but look, it looks like it's got a mini galaxy in there. So for this, you're going to need 1 tablespoon, 1 cup of water, black, blue and purple food dye, 150 grams of clear PVA glue, 1 tablespoon of borax, and green, pink and blue glitter. So let's start off by putting a tablespoon of borax into our water mixture. Make sure you give it a good stir and it's all dissolved. Now we're going to add our PVA glue to a bowl. I'm adding 40 grams. Now take your PVA glue. It's time to add the food dye. I'm starting off with black. Super fun already. Now I'm adding pink glitter. Give it a good mix. The pink looks great against the black food dye. Now it's time to add 1/3 of our borax mixture. You'll see that the slime starts to take shape immediately. Doesn't that look amazing? Give it a good stir with your fingers. And what do you know, the slime has formed that quickly and easily. Super fun. Now we're going to add another 40 grams of PVA glue to a bowl. I'm now adding blue food dye. Make sure you give it a good stir. This is a great dark blue. Now I'm adding green glitter. This looks amazing, doesn't it? Green glitter with blue glue. Now it's time to add another 1/3 of our borax mixture. It's exactly the same process as we just did before. Look at the slime form, it's instant. Super fun. Great! So now we're going to set that aside and make our last colour. Add another 40 grams of PVA glue to a bowl. Now I'm adding purple food dye. I'm using loads, so it's a nice, deep, rich purple. It almost looks black. Next, I'm adding blue glitter. So pretty. Now we're going to repeat the same process and add 1/3 of the cup or the rest of the cup into the mixture. And what do you know? DIY instant slime. Super cool. So much fun to play with. So, now that we've got our slime, we're going to mix them all together. This is what creates the amazing galaxy effect. So we're going to have blue, black, and purple slime with all different types of glitter. If it's starting to get too sticky, add some more borax water. Whoa! Doesn't this look cool? And this is what it looks like after a few moments. It's got all different colours and all different types of glitter. It creates an amazing galaxy effect. I love this slime. Fun! And here it is close up. DIY galaxy slime.